Hello friends, once again you all are welcome in my channel. First of all, I would like to say happy Diwali to all of my viewers. And today is one of the happiest day of my life. Today I got a parcel from USA. When I came from my office, I found this parcel lying on my desk. So I thought, why not? It should be shared with you all, and get it open with you all and show you what I got today. So, but before opening this, I am very excited because this is one that I am waiting from for a long time, and this is one which I think I should have to share with you all. So let's open this box and we'll see what I got in this. So okay, so I am just turning my camera towards this. Okay, and this is a box that I got from USA, and it is delivered today only. Okay, and this is a first class mail, and this is a box that I got from IEEE. IEEE is one of the organization which is running through USA. I got a letter in this also. This letter says, this letter is with my name basically, and it is written there, I am pleased to enclose this. And this is I am getting from Ramakrishna Kapagentu, that is a vice chair member development IEEE member. And the letter says, I am pleased to enclose this play celebrating your recent elevator as a senior member of IEEE. In receiving this special honor, you are joining a select few. Less than 10% of our membership achieves this level of professional recognition. Please accept my personal congratulations. And this is a letter which I am getting right through USA. I'll show this letter to you also. And also I got one shield in this. Oh, and see this is IEEE shield of the senior membership that I got. And now I am a IEEE senior member, and I am very happy to receive this kind of award from IEEE, and I hope will and continue this in the future also, to get these kind of rewards and share with you all. So this is something that this is something of very one of the achievement that I got from IEEE. And this is not only in this. Now many of you have certainly in doubt in your mind, what should I have to go do with this IEEE senior member. Actually, senior members, being a senior member, we can consult with all others members of IEEE, and we can organize some certain sort of workshops or conferences, and we got some privileges in the conferences as an advisor or as an reviewer or a chairperson of a particular session. So I am very happy, and I am very thankful to IEEE to give me an opportunity to become a senior member of this organization. I will definitely fulfill the all the responsibilities, or any tasks allotted to me by the IEEE, or I for to how to get this senior membership. I will let you know in my subsequent videos. There you have to get a members, although the information is available on the internet, you can search it yourself also, but this membership will be given only to those who are who have a very good profile, and also those having very good research profile. So this is one of the happiest day of my life. So thank you, we will meet soon again with in some informative videos. If you want to consult anything regarding the research with me, or if you want to join my research group, you may mail me and my information and the mail or my contacts, all are given in the description box. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like my channel. We will meet soon again in the new informative videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you. And yes, happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.